NDRMF family have gathered here today. This is accreditation ceremony, and we are granting the accreditation to our new members, the new entities who have passed through the accreditation process of NDRMF. Altogether 22 of them have fully passed through the accreditation, and then another 9 which have also made a considerable progress, and in the next few months they'll be fully accredited. What does it mean to be accredited with NDRMF? It basically means that they have demonstrated their institutional and technical capacity, and as well as their readiness to work with the NDRMF in the next cycle of NDRMF project financing, project implementation in the new and evolving areas for the challenges which Pakistan is facing. We are going to be taking these new entities as well as the older entities who have been working with us along, and will be supporting their climate and disaster risk reduction and in number of other areas, their action through the financing. So we're extremely pleased, and I am very much happy to welcome these 22 new organizations to be part of NDRMF family. Thank you very much.
I'd like to congratulate NDRMF team for completing the accreditation process, in which this time many of the new organizations from international to national to very local level organizations have passed the accreditation process of NDRMF, which will help NDRMF and all these organizations to work together and build the profile of the situation of Pakistan, which is facing the largest climate crisis of the history. And all these organizations, when they together, will be able to raise the voice for the causes of Pakistan. It will definitely helpful. I wish all the best to NDRMF team, Bilal Anwar Saab and his team for this important milestone, and I hope that this will be a beginning of new.
Really grateful to NDRMF for granting us this opportunity for this accreditation. Human Development Foundation is working in Pakistan over 25 years in education, health, sustainable environment, and we have changed the lives of many people, many communities across Pakistan. I am really much looking forward for this collaboration with NDRMF and with their assistance. This accreditation, I think it is the reflection of our efforts, what we have done over 25 years in Pakistan.
It was the culmination of a long process of accreditation of partner organizations. We'll be working with NDRMF in the future. This process was started several years ago, but as a learning organization, NDRMF has improved the entire process, brought in a number of other organizations into it, and refined the different criteria by which to assess the capacity of organizations which would be implementing their funding. It's very important that the capacities of organizations in the country are assessed, because the issues of accountability are very, very important, and by judging organizations whether they have the capacity to implement big programs, the quality of these programs and accountability would be improved.
ताल्लुक सिंध बेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, और हम पिछले 10 से 12 साल से हम सिंध में, बल्कि नेशनल लेवल पे हम काम कर रहे हैं. करंटली हम DRR पे हमने काफ़ी बड़ा काम किया है दादू के फ्लड अफेक्टेड एरियाज़ में, और इसके अलावा हम वॉश और एजुकेशन और मुख्तलिफ और कंपोनेंट्स पे भी काम कर रहे हैं. इसी दौरान हमें NDRMF की अपॉर्चुनिटी आई, उसमें हमने अप्लाई किया. उसका पूरा एक प्रोसेस हुआ ड्यू डिलिजेंस का, और काफ़ी मीटिंग्स हुई, काफ़ी रिगरस एक प्रोसेस था जिससे हम गुजर के आए, जिसमें हमारी MDF की भी अपनी बहुत ज़्यादा लर्निंग हुई है, और हम रियली हम शुक्रगुज़ार हैं बहुत ज़्यादा NDRMF की टीम का कि जिन्होंने हमें अपना पार्टनर कंसिडर किया. एंड मैं दोनों ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए नेक तमन्नाएं चाहता हूं.
To congratulate NDRMF, especially the whole team of NDRMF and the CEO for this initiative and for accreditation of different humanitarian and development agencies, and Muslim Hands is one of them. And through this, we will be able to deliver together, as SDG 17 says, a partnership of goals. So the only thing which we can, deliver tangible, especially related to disaster risk reduction and also combating the climate, which is Pakistan is going through, and one of the most vulnerable country because of climate. And together we will work together, and along with the NDRMF and the government and also the local communities, and we will come with a solution which will be sustainable and which is going to enhance the DRR and also the climate resilience in the country.
I am really delighted on part of CHISWI that we are entering into this partnership with the National Disaster Risk Management Fund, which is going to provide an opportunity for CHISWI and National Disaster Risk Management Funds to advance impactful resilience building and environmental sustainability, and greater objective of achieving resilience by the communities. I think this is a unique collaboration between CHISWI and NDRMF, which will go a long way to help the vulnerable communities in Pakistan build their resilience and be able to really respond to any future disaster, which is most important. Pakistan being one of the most vulnerable countries to disaster and climate changes. So using CHISWI experience, global experience in resilience building and responding to disaster, while NDRMF leadership is going to really help in this direction. We are going to work together with NDRMF by using our international experience and exposure. And I'm sure this is going to help our common goals, building resilience and responding to the climate impacts in Pakistan.
We are excited to share that NDRMF has granted the accreditation to the Aga Khan Rural Support Program, AKRSP, in the low risk category. We extend our gratitude to NDRMF for this significant recognition and hope that in the future we'll collaborate with NDRMF to make the communities resilient and sustainable across Gilgit-Baltistan, Chitral and Pakistan.
Behalf of Words Pakistan, मैं ग्रेटिट्यूड देना चाहती हूँ NDRMF को, जिसने हमें ये मौका दिया और हम उसके साथ एज अ कोलैबोरेटिव टीम जो है अपनी क्लाइमेट चेंज के हवाले से रेजिलिएंट जो है सपोर्ट करने के लिए अपनी कम्युनिटी में जाके हम काम करेंगे। जैसा कि हम सब इस वक्त जानते हैं कि पाकिस्तान जो है ऐसे रीजन में है जो क्लाइमेट चेंज का बहुत ज़्यादा शिकार है, जिसकी वजह से हमने ख़ुद भी एक्सपीरियंस किया कि बहुत सारे तबाहकारियाँ हमारे मुल्क ने जो है उसका सामना किया, और NDRMF और इस जैसे और ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस ने मिल के अपने मुल्क को ऐसे मुसीबत से निकाला। तो ये एक इनिशिएटिव है। हम एज अ वर्ड्स पाकिस्तान फ़र्स्ट टाइम कोलैबोरेट कर रहे हैं NDRMF के साथ, और इंशाल्लाह इस जर्नी में हम भरपूर तरीके के साथ लोगों की हेल्प करेंगे, उनको सपोर्ट करेंगे एज अ क्लाइमेट रेजिलिएंट की एक ताकत पैदा करने के लिए, ताकि हमारे जो है मुल्क में जिस तरह की चेंज आया हुआ है क्लाइमेट चेंज का, तो उसको हम अच्छे से सामना कर सकें और एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम हम जो है वो स्टार्ट कर सकें अपने लोगों की बहबूद के लिए।